I was gonna go right off the edge.
Mahogany drove us here.
Welcome to mi casa. I have my parking pass.
If you don't get out,
my cross that's made out of old keys
bye.
from the man.
Hey, hurry up.
No problem.
Dragon Ball Z. Hello.
And I'm leaving it all apart. And I'm leaving it all apart. Since she didn't want to grab it, I'm leaving it. She got her cord out and then she left it all over the place. Tell them why I did that, because you said, I said, can you unplug my charger? You said, no, do it yourself. And I left it there. It wouldn't have been that hard to put it back together. And it wouldn't have been that hard for you to unplug it for me. Daddy, it's my birthday month. That's all you have to do. Nobody gives a shit.
She's cussing.
She's cussing. We're put together today. We're put together. Y'all want to? I'm gonna get the fit. Don't match. Drip, hit the drip. Hey, now go like this. Hey. Hey, 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 hey.
No, I'm not finished. Run.
Mom, I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Where is it?
Give me that. Give me that. Maddie.
Hi.
Excuse me. Come here.
Over here by the butter.
We're not running around by ourselves.
I need to use it.
Oh, okay. Where's the bathroom? Go with her. Stand guard. I don't want to whoop no butts. Do that to me. We don't want to have to whoop nobody up in the stove with our babies.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Those are nice. Go Kansas City Chiefs. Go for the money. Go for the money. Go for the money. Relax.
Stop running up in my camera all the time. Especially when, you know, I'm trying to get angles. That don't even make sense. Now I have to start. Now I have to start it over. Why would you be doing that? I don't understand it. Go for the money, go for the money.
No, don't put me in.
What was you thinking? There's some little people over there. Go for the money, go for the money.
Mama, can we get a string? No. No.
Look, oh, she clinging now, honey. She know it. She's been called out. She's been called out, y'all, of that badness, that silliness.
Here, get the money.
We're gonna get 30 of them. I looked to mess with that. I said I tried to. I always say I tried to tell you. We got hot sauce.
No, they don't have. They're completely. Chips.
Are we bargain shopping? Cause those are $3.47.
It's $1.49.
No, don't do that.
What is?
Unsalted.
What's the difference?
Unsalted.
Get it together, sink it up, put it in the bowl, it's flopping. Here.
You don't even know how much they are.
No, I don't.
Let's go to the back too.
Pull it together, you're slushing out the bowl. Okay guys, so we're at the farmer's market and I'm gonna show y'all what we're getting. We're getting this for Penguins. I'm gonna make them. And yeah, after this, I don't know what we're doing, but it's pretty much it. I just want to quick update. Right, still. And right now we're about to shop. We've got this vegetable room and it is freezing. Like, it's freezing. And it's like it's cold. It so feels good over here. Yeah.